Stop watching twin flame videos. Start doing your inner work yourself, because you can. The tools are here. You can simply grab them and start doing them every time you feel upset about the twin flame journey. Because it doesn't matter if it is that you are not together yet in this beautiful, wonderful, desired relationship in your daily life, with the holidays and the sex life and the money coming in from your mission business and the children growing up. Or it is that they have another and that bothers you at this moment in a certain way. Or it is that they have been unkind to you in a certain way and that hurts you in a very unique way that you would be able to express. It doesn't matter which one it is, or your entirely own situation that I don't even know anything about yet, until you tell me, which would be welcome. It doesn't matter what the situation is. You can derive from that place where you are right now your starting point to do the twin flame inner work. And you can do that yourself. You can do it on your own. You can do it for free. So what is that, this twin flame inner work? Well, every situation where you're not yet in your ultimate life with your ultimate lover, that is your true twin flame, can be moved forward in that direction of harmonious twin flame union by aligning yourself with divine love. And you do that by loving yourself from that place where you are now. Loving yourself is always the key. Love yourself when you're in separation, and that is against your will and your vision, and it is indeed against harmonious twin flame union and the birth of your physical union that comes from that is harmonious and with your true twin flame. Or it is anything else. You take that as the opportunity to love yourself right there in how that feels to you uniquely now in this situation, and you love yourself in that feeling right now. Loving yourself is really the key. But it can be sometimes necessary to get some sort of a tool to make that more workable or more suitable for this feeling and situation that you don't like and you don't understand what it is and how you can love yourself in that situation exactly, because you already tried it somehow a little bit, but how to make that work. Well, that is why I created the key tool. So now you're going to love yourself with the key tool. And that is a 4-step process that Divine Mother taught me around 2011. It changed a little bit over the time. I found the best formula to write it down for you, and there it is. 4 steps that mean you're going to love yourself in the situation where you're now and the feeling that you have right now. The feeling is always key in the key tool when you start it up with step 1. It starts with the feeling. It is your feelings that you're going to work with, because indeed it is also your feelings that matter in loving yourself. And indeed, it is also your feelings that matter in this ultimately divinely loving situation with your true twin flame that you desire. So you've got to understand that it works with your feelings. So what are those feelings? What is that? Maybe that's what you need to know even before you go further in step 1 of the key tool. What is that feeling, my feelings? Is it something that is in my body? Is it something that I know or I remember? Is it something that is an energy? And then what is that? So, when that is unclear to you, I have the solution for you. I have a 13-step course that teaches you all about what it means to feel, what your feelings are, and how to deal with them once you've identified them. I will put that 13-step course in the description box below. It is a link to my blog, and there you will simply find it. But when you've got the feeling like, okay, I'm feeling my feelings because that's necessary in this love question. We need it for step 1 of key. Okay, I'm there, I'm there. I can follow you. Let's progress. So let's start to do that together. Let's try this key tool for loving yourself. So we need to phrase what we feel in step 1. And you do that best in a certain formula. And you never copy exactly what I say, but you take the formula of the sentence to state what you are genuinely feeling. Okay, so let's take an example. I'm now feeling my feelings, right? I am upset because he is not comforting me in every small moment in my daily life, and that makes me feel deserted. Wow, yeah, there it is. And this is the formula of the sentence that works best. So I feel upset because he did this and that, and it makes me feel this and that. Approximately that formula works best. Yeah, that feels already good because I have now something to work with. It is about my twin flame situation. And I can start going further through the key tool to heal at least this one fully before I move on to another one, and 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 so forth. So let's look at step number 2. So this may sound like a phrase to you that I some sort of made up with my head, and that's a little bit true, but it is really about feeling your feelings, right? And to make that even more concrete, when we're going through these steps, we'll move down in our body and feel our body and our energy fields and our feelings that are inside of it, specifically moving down in your body by going through the 4 steps. So step 2 will be the answer to the question, how does that sound if I phrase that again in a sentence starting with I want? And we're going to feel more deeply in our body, and we're going to feel specifically our stomach area. So I ask myself, what do I actually want? And for this step, I'm allowed to really say it how it is. And if that is got to be with a little bit of anger, then it's that. And that's okay for this step. There will be more steps. So step 2 will be me formulating what I want. I want him to follow me like a mother and always be attentive to me in everything that I do. Yeah, and then I can acknowledge, yes, that's how that feeling sounds. Absolutely. Let's take a breath. Beautiful. But this was only step 2. We're now going to step 3. And for step 3, we're going even lower in our body, and we feel the space in our hip area, that intimate space that is so at home. When you are at home there, it's the space of sexuality too, so it's a very intimate space. That's what I mean with your home. And the question that I'm going to answer in step 3 is, what do I desire or long for underneath that statement that we just arrived at? Is there something more that I actually crave, that there's this longing for the more subtle quality that I can recognize that is actually underneath it present? So let me tune in, because I'm going to always genuinely feel my actual feelings. And the answer is, I long to feel genuinely understood by myself in every moment. Yeah, that feels good. That's what I long for. Yeah. And you know, step 4 is going to be magnetic for you. It's going to be the bombshell you have been waiting for. Step 4 is that I'm going to claim whatever I stated in step 3 for myself and proclaim that I already have it in my sentence that I will speak. Because, you know, when you long for something in step 3, then you intuitively already know that it somehow exists for you. Otherwise, you can't long for it. So, it must exist for you somehow already. So now in step 4, you're going to claim that you already have it, that you already are that. So let me tune in what that will give for our example. I understand myself in every moment fully and completely, and that feels enough for me and complete for me. I feel satisfied. I even am a living example for how that is done for other people. Well, amen. And I feel that this energy of this inner work is completing itself now in and around my body, with my energy, with my feelings. And that was one complete key. Now, if you have something very sad, if you have something deeply upsetting, and you need to cry, then cry. If you need so much more extra love to be able to go through those steps, then give it to yourself. That's the invitation of this exercise. This is how you align yourself with divine love more and more, taking the situation between you and your twin flame as the catalyst to align yourself in your journey with your harmonious twin flame union. And when you will do that enough, then you will experience the core healing that will bring you in the state of being or the state of consciousness of harmonious twin flame union. Guaranteed. Now, there is even another version of this exercise, this key. I call it sometimes the second version, or I call it the master's version. And that is actually very handy for the twin flame journey. Yeah, it totally is. But that one, I will only reveal to you in our online community called Your Abundance on Facebook. And you are cordially invited to come meet us there. We have events there, we have the tools there, we have the explanation there, and we have a space to be understood, to share, to get support. So I hope that you come over. That would be really nice. The second version of the key tool is waiting for you there. And I love you very much. That is an extra for you to know. Because besides your own self-love key work, the extra layer is that the divine loves you, your twin flame loves you, and your twin flame teacher loves you too. Now, what is the direct way to your harmonious twin flame union, phrased in another way that will also inspire you? I will send you to this video that is about that. See you there. Bye bye.